Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, you will learn about the links, link optimization and how to optimize the links. Links, link optimization. So what are links in SEO? Usually hyperlinks are called as links. Okay, hyperlinks. So what is a hyperlink and what are links? Okay. So this is a link. Okay. So when I click this link, it redirect me to another web page. Okay. Similarly, this is a blog. So this is also a link, hyperlink. Okay. So when I click this link, it redirect me to another web page. Okay. So this word has a link. This phrase has a link. Okay. And it is hyperlinked. It is clickable, which means when I click that link, it redirect me to another website or another web page. Okay. Why that phrase is clickable and why that link redirect me to another web page? Okay. So first understand that links are a kind of way for users to navigate between the pages on the internet. Okay. So if I am hyperlinked this word or this phrase, I am telling or redirecting the user to another web page. When they enter into the another web page, they get a content related to that phrase. Okay. For example, when I click that link, it enters into another web page. Okay, which is related to this phrase. He talked about his ad agency in this blog, so he gives a link to this phrase. Okay, so this is for users. This is from users point of view. Okay, from the search engine point of view, search engine uses these links to crawl the web page. So they will crawl the links between the individual pages on a website, and also they will crawl the links between the entire websites. Okay. So what actually happens is hyperlinks are links used for navigating the website. Okay. Navigating the web pages. Okay. So search engines uses these links to crawl the web pages. Okay. And also it helps to understand the structure of the website. Okay. It helps to understand the structure of the website. Okay. This crawling should happen frequently, because if crawling happens frequently and we are in a state and we can ensure that our website is easily visible to search engines. Okay. As I already said, the crawling, indexing and ranking are a cyclic process. This process happens again and again. Crawling can happen on a daily basis or a monthly basis or 3 days once. Actually depends on a website performance. Okay. But frequent crawling the website is very important for the website for higher rankings. And we can also check the crawling status of our website by using the operator catch. Okay, that is an operator similar to site colon. It's a catch colon. Okay. So by using this operator, we can check the latest crawl on our website indirectly. Okay, just go here and enter my domain name. It ends into 404 because my site is still not indexed, still not crawled, still not indexed, so it's not catched my website. Okay, we can check for this URL. So it is catched on 22nd April. So it is crawled on. So we can understand that it is crawled on 22nd April 2020. Okay, at 6:11 GMT time. Okay, so it is, and we can indirectly understand that the site is crawled recently on 22nd April. Okay, so catch is a snapshot of a web page that Google creates and stores in its database after they indexed a web page. Okay, once they indexed a web page, Google snapshot our website, our web page, and stores that snapshot in its database. Okay, when we talk about links, Google uses these links to find out what content on our website are related and what content our website are not related. Okay, so basically there are two types of links. There are two types of links in on-page SEO. There are internal links and external links. Okay, so these internal links are links that go from one page of a website to a different page of a same website. Okay, so for example, so this is a blog, this is a nailpatel.com website. Okay, have a blog on COVID-19 marketing. Okay, so he is giving a link to this phrase. Okay, when I click this link, it goes to the same website. Okay, within his website the link is redirecting, not to the outside of his website. Okay, so this is called as internal links. Okay, when I click this link, it redirects me to another website, another domain. Okay, so it is called as external link. Okay, so internal links are links that go through the same website. Okay, same website, but the external links are go through this different website from our website. Okay, so let me see how these internal links helps in SEO. Okay, so internal links helps in navigation. So these internal links allows the users to navigate a website, navigate within the website. Okay, so these internal links connect the different pages of a same website. Okay, so these links connects your content and gives Google an idea of the structure of your website. Okay, it helps the Google to understand about the structure of a website. It helps the Google to understand about the structure of a website. And also it helps Google to understand the relevance of the pages okay, and the relationship between the pages and finally the value of the pages, the value of the content, the value of the pages. Okay, So I confirm that, and also I ensure that without internal linking your website won't rank higher in search results. Okay, internal linking is very much important in on-page SEO, and this is all about the basics of internal linking in on-page SEO. So there are also a number of internal linking strategies are also there. Okay, internal linking is very much important. So we will learn the advanced level topics about the internal linkings in our upcoming videos. So this is about the basics of internal linking, but internal linking is very much important for boosting our rank in search results and also in on-page SEO. Okay, so now we see about the external linking. As I already said, similar to internal linking, these external links are links that go from one page of a website to another page of a different website. Okay, it also helps Google to understand the relevancy of the content, similar to what internal link does. Okay, but these external links are a kind of backlinks. Okay, this is a kind of backlinks for another website, not our website. Okay, so we are giving a kind of backlinks from our website to another website. So this external links is not a kind of on-page SEO. Okay, it's a kind of off-page SEO technique. These backlinks and the external links are a kind of off-page SEO technique. So we will learn more about the backlinks and external links in our off-page SEO module. Okay, so if you have any doubt, just comment your doubts in my comment section. Okay, and also like my video and give a comment to my videos, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.